Bit of a weird one for me today. Taylor's not about. He's packed up and fucked off on holiday with his family, and I'm too big to fit in his suitcase and too ugly to impersonate his wife. But last time we was out, we testing the hammocks and whatnot. Realised we've got no storage for our bags. I know some people tie them to trees and whatever, hang them wherever they like. But I thought I'm going to try make a mini kit hammock to go under our hammocks. I've got no idea what I'm doing. Just going to piss about and see if I can get one done. I picked up a shitload of this. It's like tent material. Load of that. Plus some fittings and whatnot. All in all, probably about, I don't know, maybe less than a tenner, but I'm planning on making 2 out of all this. But I got it from Boys. I don't know if there's a Boys in your area. I don't really know what kind of shop it is. It's weird, you can get all kinds of stuff from there, but I think it's awesome for like material and whatnot. I've cut a 7-foot length and borrowed a sewing machine that I've never used before, and honestly I've got no fucking idea how to use this one. My GCSE teacher would be pissed. Well, I've got some stitches in, at least, tidying up the edge a little bit, trying to give it a bit of strength because I folded it over, and then obviously I folded the ends over again. So I'm hoping that when I do actually cinch it all together and put it on a metal hoop that I've got somewhere around here, it won't snap. Although it probably will, and all I get will end up in the mud anyway, but fuck it. What I want to do is like edge, like with some of that, and fold it over. Obviously it's just a scrap, whatever. Give it a bit of strength around the edges. I don't know if that's overkill. I don't know if it'll last. No idea. I'm going to see how it works. Right, so I've got the basic, well, messy canvas, but I do like this. It's obviously not going to last forever, but neatens up the edge a little bit, where because I folded it over. But that's just the basic sheet for now, and then I'll do the loops in a sec and come back. Well, that's the loops in. I think I'm gonna stitch. One hand. Obviously, I've got this going through here, through the loop. I'm gonna stitch down there, and then probably a fuckload across there, and try and pull it through so it's on the inside of this. I'm going to put the ring on it. I'll have the other the other whatever coming from it, and that'll be what goes around the tree. Basically like that. And then more cord off that to the tree. basically that will be on there, and then that bit right around the tree, hook back onto itself. There's one finished. Gotta make a bag for it now. Before I make the bag for it, that's the size roughly. But there's plenty of more. It can be squashed. So I'm aiming to make the bag roughly that. Well, there it is. I don't know if it's going to fit. If it don't, it's a cool little bag for something else, whatever. Don't even know how strong it's going to be, but let's see how it goes. Holy shit, it fits. So one kit hammock. This bit needs tidying up and cutting down and whatnot, so it'll be that essentially. I'll put some sort of bead or toggle on it or something so it'll open. But there or thereabouts. And what gift would be complete without naming it? There you go, Taylor. All for you. There's a basic premise. That will go obviously lower under the hammock. You'll be able to like dump all the crap in it. Might maybe add some like straps or something like Velcro or something to go across. Now I don't know a lot about camping, I know even less about sewing, so before anybody like jumps in the comments and starts banging on about this won't work, that won't work, it probably won't. I don't really care. Literally, I just enjoy making stuff. Figured I'd give it a go. If it works for one camping trip, sweet. If it don't, whatever. And I also know that I probably suck at this, talking to this kind of thing. It feels weird. Hopefully I'll get better in the future with it. If not, whatever.